how to open a savings account Wells Fargo. If you want to open up your savings account on Wells Fargo, you have to go to wellsfargo.com. Then under the personal tab, you'll find an option that says savings and CDs. Now you can go to, first of all, view all savings account. If you already decided on the type of savings account that you want, you can simply select that particular savings account. So once you select a certain savings account, I would recommend that you read everything that type of account has to offer: the initial fee, the annual deposit, or the opening deposit, which is the minimum deposit that you need to have to open the account. Then after you do that, you can simply select the open now option. Then once you've done that, you have to go ahead and then make sure to enter all of your details over here, like your legal details, like your social security number, submit your ID, like your driver's license or SSID or tax identification number. Then enter all of your legal documents. Then once done, you will be able to approve your account and open up a savings account. This way you'll be able to open savings account on Wells Fargo. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.